Hey friends, if you wish to know the difference between Windows 11 Home and Windows 11 Pro, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. The first one is BitLocker. So it helps protect data with enhanced encryption and security management. And obviously report desktop control and Hyper-V for creating virtual machines. Although we have used virtual machines on on the home version as well. So if you go to its website, you'll get the real difference. There is no major difference except if you wish to use it for office and corporate bonding. If you do not wish to use it for office and corporate bonding, there is not a single thing that Windows 11 Home doesn't have, because it has device encryption, it has the option to find your device, it has firewall, internet protection, it has secure boot, and also Windows Hello for biometric identification. So, unless you wish to use Windows specifically for an office or corporate integration system, we suggest you to use Windows 11 Home instead of Pro, and the differences are clear here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.